universe. I'm ready to receive whatever it is you have for me. If I have to follow you into the oldness, no matter how dark, no matter how damp, one thing is true: I'll step wherever you ask me to. Here I come, are you spirits ready? It's a perfect night for baptism of different kinds. In the name of the Father, Son, and Ghost of mine, I feel water trickle down my spine. Is that an angel? I hear your footsteps, I see your breath drifting through the mist. Blow your kiss hello to life eternal. Here I come, are you spirits ready? Jesus is just alright with me. His footsteps are all across the surface that submerges me. Mississippi leads me to his sea. Water, keep on rolling, Mississippi moon. Won't you keep shining? Keep on shining your light. Gonna make everything alright. Here I come, are you spirits ready?